Hello, our customers and followers in the Middle East and North Africa. As always, we gonna remind you that we are the agent for lunch since 2010, and we sell their devices, promote their scanners and diagnostic tool, plus DBMS range and ADAS system. Today, I'm going to present one of the advanced tool from lunch scanners, which is PAD5. PAD5 always have been known for the great capabilities with a medium in a price, because it comes in between the small devices, which is Lunch Pro and Lunch Pro 3, and also between the bigger device, which is PAD9 and PAD7. It has the every capability from the higher device, which is PAD9 and PAD7, but optimized in size. This is 10-inch, while PAD9 is and PAD7 is 13-inch, which is really adequate, and it's enough to have a 10-inch screen. It comes with the Smart Link, the most advanced VCI vehicle interface, supporting a lot of protocols like J2534, CAN FD, many protocols, and that is giving this device the capability to work with many brands. When you go to Diagnostic, it supports a lot of American cars. Now it is not activated, and that's why you can't see the brands in here. But after activation this device, you can also see a lot of brands covered by this, around 120 brands average. European also, all are supported by this device, Asians, Chinese. So it's a great coverage, really great coverage, and it has automatic VIN detection. That means it can recognize the car model number and specs and start scanning and diagnostic these cars. If you go here to demo, just to demonstrate for you how the testing can be done, if you say okay and you say demo, you can start to see. This is just a sample. When you have the reality, you have a lot of brands in front of you. I can just select Ford, maybe Expedition, okay, and then you can see that this device support the topology, which is the network of the modules inside the car. So for the people who works in car networking and connection, sometimes you have some couple of faults in this system, this and at the same line. So you recognize that there is a communication problem, maybe, rather than having a real problem. And when you do a smart detection, it will start scanning each and every module of this device. It will the color coding is really also great to make your life easier. When it comes to the normal, it shows as a green, abnormal is a red, scanned and finished, non-scanned or not occupied. Maybe sometime you are trying to see a sunroof, maybe you select the car, but in reality the car does not have a sunroof. That's why it will give you an empty and a gray color. And here I have faults. See, it's easy to see where is the fault. It's in BCM. I can see the faults here. See, it's great, and you can also enter and you can read the faults. It shows you also a little color difference, because it's simplifying the errors. It will show you the error codes in every module, and it will explain also, like B0401, it's EGR valve, a flow insufficient detection. So it will show you the error code, a small description, and also you can code search. If you are hooked up to the internet, you can easily go and see by Google what is the problem, exact problem in this code. Here the help, you can also take some help. It shows you something. You can go to online help also, and or you can go to Google, as I told you. Here it will show you. See, they built actually a small brief description about each and every error, so it will give you a brief idea what is the exact problem. Data stream is also showing you the live data. So this device is able to show you the live data. This is again is a simulation software. So see how easy the live data is being shown here as a value and the standard range. This is a guidance for you, so it will show you it is failing between the standard range or not. And the measuring units, like this is the voltage. You can also withdraw the graphic, so it will show you how it behave, and you can set also a minimum maximum limits to see if it is going beyond that. Let me go back and show you some more capabilities of this device. Report is an advanced a nice feature, because it will generate an automatic report stamped and recognized by lunch. So it will show in a brief what is the error code, the description, and you can print. By the way, you can print this device. If you hook up to the printer, you have to identify the printer. You can just print it. It's easy, or you can save it in the device itself. It is supported by 2 cameras, one 5 megapixel and the back side is 13 megapixel, which give you the possibility to take many photos, because the memory is great also to show the customer before and after some time. So I go here back, and I am able also to clear these faults. I can clear fault codes. Yes, easy. You can clear fault. All these stored faults can be easily cleared by this device. Read data stream. Again, this is the live data. Actuation test, which is activation test. I mean, you can if you have a problem in air conditioning compressor commands, I can run the air compressor and see if the voltage goes all the way up to the compressor. I can measure the voltage. If the voltage is there, that means all the line is okay from the module, because this is the command from module. I can say on, and it becomes on. That means I gave the command for the compressor. I check the voltage there. If the voltage reaches the compressor but the compressor is still not working, maybe it's stuck, I know that the final element is a problem. But if the voltage has not come to the final element, that means you have cut in between. So you trace the wiring and see which fuse is burned maybe. So this is a great feature, really great feature. Make your life easier as a mechanic. So every final element is also shown in the list here, and you can easily injector disable. I can disable one of the injectors, enable one of the injectors to recognize which injector is not working, and many things. I can't go in each and every one of them. The special functions is, see, this is again a simulation software, because many in the reality many special functions will be there. See here, power balancing. It will give you also the steps, relative compression. Every special functions can be done. SCR parameter reset, DBF manual. After maybe you clean the DBF from the accumulated deposits, you can also clear the DBF value and the alarm. Here program. This is not there in many other devices. Programming. It will program also the ECUs and the TCMs in many modules. Online programming. It does for Audi, Golf, Volkswagen, VAG Group, basically, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and many other cars. So it has also a programming capability in addition to the coding, variant coding. Let me go back here and show you a shortcut actually for the service reset. See here, it will remind you that this VCI has to be disconnected, because in reality you must be connected to the car, and this will be on. By the way, this SmartLink is a great device, because you can also give Wi-Fi for this device, and do licensing for this one to become a remote expert. That is different subject, and it's a long subject if you want to talk about it. This can work with many other car brands, like it can act as a Toyota maybe VCI, it can act as a Honda VCI, can act as a J2534 common, maybe GM, maybe for Ford, also for softwares. Many J2534 can be covered by this device. Let me go back and show you also that the software update can be 3 years. It's a 3 years free update by this device. After the 3 years, the software won't stop. It will keep working all the offline programming, but the online programming will be stopped. You need to renew it. This support many other languages like Arabic language in our area. Many customers love to have the Arabic language. The special functions, it's 42, but now we did not activate the device. When the device is activated, you can see 42 reset functions. Here remote diagnostic, which I was also talking about. TBMS, where you can convert this device to be a TBMS, tire pressure monitoring system, reading the sensors and writing in the sensors. And you see here all the lunch sensor. You can write on this sensors and numbers, or you can read them. And also, if it is non-lunch sensor, you can also read them. Here, where you can also use this device as an advanced driver assistance system. Sorry, let me just go back and show them the ADAS. Okay, here the ADAS, where you can calibrate. I'm talking about this kit. I'm talking about this kit. The kit will help you to have the reflectors and calibrate the land discipline, the blind spot, the radar, the cruise control, many things. You can also program the car radars, the night visions, the continental radars, land discipline, as I told you, speed cruise control, around vehicle monitoring, LiDAR, and also rear cameras. So you have the capability to buy this kit and integrate it with the PAD 5. Or also the great option is this, smart, X431, which is used to read, the ships, the remotes, the smart keys, and also the EEPROMs. This is very great tool, and you don't have to buy a separate and stand-alone key programming tools. You can easily, buy, I can say, this device integrated with this device, and it will work fine to program the keys. Again, many things left. I can't talk about each and everything, but this device is a great and can run any professional garages. Again, if you want to convert this device to an electrical vehicle, also testing the green color cable and kit can also help you. Okay, someone will say, I want to make this device to work for HD heavy duty, which is the trucks and trailers, and like Mercedes, Actros, maybe MAN, Volvo, Scania. Yes, you can. You can add the HD activation, and this Smart Link works also for 12 and 24. So you don't have to buy a new VCI, which is this one. This is the HD kit. Thank you very much for watching us. I hope I covered most of the functionality, most of the advantages of this device. Thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye.